Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the V380 camera that keeps going offline in 2026. So if your camera disconnects again and again, don't worry, here are some of the quick fixes that you can try. So first of all, you need to make sure that your camera is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the weak signal is the most common reason for going offline again and again. So you need to try moving the camera closer to the router if it is needed. Now, if it doesn't work for you, you can try our second method, in which you just have to first of all turn off your camera, and then you just have to unplug it from the router for about 30 seconds. Then simply turn both back on. This is going to refresh the connection, and it is also going to fix most of the issues. Now, in the third step, you need to make sure that the camera is getting the proper power. You need to check the cables and check if the cables are connected properly. A loose cable or weak adapter can cause it to disconnect repeatedly. Now you can also open the V380 app and remove the device, and then you can add it again. This also helps reset the connection if there is a syncing problem. If the issue still persists, you can also try resetting the device by pressing this particular reset button. You need to press the reset button and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then you just have to wait for some time until it resets. So you can try these methods and it is going to basically fix the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.